Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering focused references. Pick 3-5 images that show the subject from varied angles, lighting, and scale. Once collected, create a single folder and name files clearly, using version numbers so you can revert. Open your editing or 3D app and set the working canvas to match the primary reference aspect ratio, 16:9 or 4:3. This keeps proportions consistent. From here, import the key image as a locked layer so you can trace shapes and establish initial composition immediately. You now align references to your canvas. Place them as overlays, use multiply or opacity to see both layers, and adjust scale so key features match. Make perspective corrections and match focal length clues because accurate geometry simplifies later modeling or painting. Extract details next. Sample colors and values, create labeled swatches, and note material cues such as roughness or reflectivity. Once done, block in large shapes and values using the sampled palette. This preserves fidelity while you refine edge. You finish by refining forms, textures, and lighting, toggling the reference on and off to compare progress. Make non-destructive edits with layer masks and adjustment layers so you can iterate without losing originals. Always keep an untouched reference backup. When matching finishes, step back and check values, saturation, and edge clarity. If things look off, recheck perspective alignment, image scale, and color profile settings. Those are the usual culprits. Then correct and resample. This fixes most discrepancies quickly and preserves intent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.